spontaneous vlog. Let's go. It's a little concerning here. Like, they literally told us that we had to leave our key here in order to park here. So we were kind of concerned. We were like, what the hell are you doing with our key? But we're gonna risk it. Parking is $10, you know? Let's just do that. I don't know what we're doing, but let's go with it. Go with the flow. You guys don't know where I am. I'm at the car show, the LA Auto Car Show, and there's a lot of cars here. I've gone here before when I was like a little kid, but not like recently. So we're gonna explore this around and see how it goes. Ah. Wow. Wow. Damn, so nice. Dude, I'm in a truck right now. I don't even know what I'm doing. I look like an actual driver. This is so fun. Oh my god. There's no one in these cars. We're just in here now. And I'm just sitting here. I'm playing with the cars. So much fun. Look, there's so many cars here. It's just crazy. There's a tent on top of this one, by the way. Dude, why do we have this here? Someone explain. Right now I'm at the air show. I hope you guys can hear me. If not, it's okay. Anyways, screens are so massive, but they're so nice. It feels like I'm spinning in one place because the screens are moving. But it's so cool here. Like, this is a car. Bro, I feel like a real driver. It's a lot nicer than my car. Alright, I'm gonna move on to the next area. The plants look so the floor is like fake rock. The Subaru area, so all the cars here are. There's supposed to be a show at 2:30, by the way, so I don't know what. There's a red car. Should we go in it? I just went for my pretty car. There's a lot of space. Pretty cool.
Subaru is rated #1 in
But I
safety.
can't give you guys a tour because there's always people going in and out. Yeah. Some of my camera persons go in the back. Anyways, that's it from this area. I'll see you guys in like one of the other areas. Yeah. Hello, I'm in the driver's seat and this is the Acaron car. I do not know the model, but it looks very nice. Oh my god, I'm trying to open this. Okay, anyways, I don't even know what these controls are, but they look cool, I guess. There's a small screen, smaller than I expected. Why are you pointing at me? Anyways, dynamic mode. I don't know what this is. Bro, I don't know what any of this is because I don't drive a car. But you know, so I'm sitting here. It feels cool and bougie because I have a car. You know, so cool. Yay! It's so cool. I love cars, but I don't know how to drive them. I don't even know how to drive a car. I don't have a license. I'm under 18, so I can't drive. But I love cars. I love cars. Anyways, we'll move on to like Dude, I love this car. Oh my god. Okay. This is so cool. It's like minimalistic. Bro, I don't know what minimalistic is. I do know what minimalistic is, but I don't know what that's like. Bro, okay, I can't speak anymore. Anyways, this is so... Is the screen touchscreen? Oh, it is! That's great. Anyway, I love the white vibe. I love white cars, but I can't drive white cars because I think they would probably get dirty. So, I don't think I can trust myself with that. But this looks so cool. Like, this looks so modern, the gray and white, and all the settings controls. Again, I don't even know how to use the freaking settings, but it's okay. This is the little, like, drawer thingy. I don't know what this is used for. Oh, yeah, store stuff. Store your papers in here. There's a map. Right here. Actually, I don't know where we are. We're at the LA Convention Center. Right here. Right here. Dude, I want to test drive a car, but then I realized I don't know how to drive it. So, dude, I love this car. It's so amazing. Look, all the seats are white. Like, you should literally look at the back. Like, so cool. I kind of wish this was my car, but there might be other cool cars here in the convention center. So let's go look at those as well. This one's cool.
How'd you get in?
Oh my gosh. So nice. The screen's so pretty. Look at the sunroof. Wow.
Oh, there's one right here too.
Where?
See, this one's for ours and that's for
Yeah.
We'll get our
So yeah, see, we get our own sunroof. Well, actually no. Wait, I can't put it back. Never mind. It's so nice though. Damn.
conditioning. Charge your phone.
So nice. I love this car. So amazing. It's a Lexus, by the way. Yeah, it's so cool. Oh my god. $120,000. Wow. It's a roofless car. Dude, I love this car. It's a seatless, roofless car. It's so nice. The music is really loud. Oh no. Anyways, I don't even know what to say. It's just so nice. It's so amazing. It looks so nice. It's $120,000. I got told. But it looks fire. Compartment. Okay, I thought they were gonna be big. Not like so cool to be outside. I don't know what to say. I just say where I need things to say. These cars look really nice. Well, that's the oldest car. I had to look. Unfortunately, I'm gonna get out of this car now, but it's so nice. I love it.
As you mentioned, the ranges are increasing. So the Leaf keep, but you can take the shorter trips as well with a range of 304 miles max. Speaking of those road trips,
look at the screen. The whole freaking dashboard's a screen. Is there a camera? Is there a camera?
it allows you to plan your journey ahead of time with some most efficient
It looks really nice. Oh, you know those like things where like they use to like
Not only is it going
get themselves into the mode. Like now it's like this.
show you where to
The
stop,
driving
start,
modes.
and for how long.
Okay, bro. I literally keep opening these compartments and I think there's gonna be like something in it, but there's nothing in it. I love this. This is so nice. I love modern cars. Yeah, it's so nice. Alright, I'm gonna get out of it now. We're gonna test drive Nissan cars. Because, I don't know, it just looks fun. They're driving really fast. I'm kind of scared they're gonna crash, but it's okay. We're gonna go inside. I got my wristband. We're gonna go. Oh my god. Oh my god.
All right, y'all.
I know. What the? Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. Dude, these candles look so crusty. Ooh. These phone cases. Too bad, none of these phone cases work with my phone. I have a Samsung. Wow. Well, this one's clear, but it's like holograph matte. I don't know. It changes color. There's a bag. What the hell is this? I have no idea. Sure. There's just bags here. They're all on sale, but like, why are they all like green and pink? Why are there no other colors? What the hell? Help me. This bag is literally in the sales area. Bro, these are like the most randomest things ever. See, Nordstrom Rack doesn't really have like a lot of good Black Friday deals. Like, bro, this feels empty. Oh my god, someone used out of this. That's horrible. This looks really dirty as well. I don't really know what all this stuff is. It's like really random. Face masks. Sorry if you guys hear noise, bro. I'm just trying to dig through all this stuff. There's like random green bags, and they're like $200, and I don't know why. That's even more expensive than a Coach bag or stuff. There's like crusty camels over there, dude. Like, I don't know. Shiny, beautiful, shiny. No, these look like old lady bags. Bro, this is for like weddings or something. Damn, so glittery. Oh, do y'all like this jacket? Like, I just found it. I tried it on. I like it. It looks so nice. Especially like layers. So cool. This is like the only thing that's looked okay so far in the store, to be honest. Anyways, dude, I like this shirt. It's good for winter. Yeah, that's the only thing I found in the store. There's nothing else in here. Ooh, so Christmassy. So Christmassy. I kind of want some of these. No, not really. I can't really wear any of these. So Christmassy. We're at Starbucks and I'm getting a Starbucks drink. We have had no luck at the shopping mall. We haven't gotten anything, so we're gonna go get Starbucks. It tastes like coffee. Guys, this is the outfit I found. The jeans look quite good, I guess. I like the shirt. It's very nice. What do you guys think? This is the first thing we've gotten so far this whole day. I think I'm gonna get these jeans, and if I don't like them, I'm gonna return them. But yeah, this is what we've come up with so far. I think it looks pretty good. I finally got something. I got a pair of jeans, but my dad's purchasing it at Forever 21. So now I'm gonna head into H&M. We're trying to find more sale discounted items. Yeah. Go eat something. I think it's chicken. We're gonna go to a chicken place and eat. Yeah. I just came back from shopping and I only got one thing. I got from Forever 21. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. It's just like a pair of jeans. And I don't really know if I'm going to keep them. But I think I probably will. But they're just cargo jeans from Forever 21. I'm going to try and show you guys the whole thing. But, you know, they're the best ones I could find. And I kind of need jeans. So I just bought them. But, I tried them on in the video before. I tried them in the fitting room. But these are the ones I got. Its original price was $45 and it was like 50% off. So it was like $23. $23, and then I used a gift card to purchase it. So yeah. That's literally what like 6 hours of shopping got me. Just a pair of jeans. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below anything else you would like to say. And thank you so much for watching my video. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye!